Hello and welcome to the Car Compass. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your oil and also how to schedule your maintenance for a 2026 Toyota Prius. I'm sitting in a limited, but this will work for an XLE, for an LE, or also for the plug-in hybrids and prior years to 2026. So you're going to go on the left side of your steering wheel, and with these controls right here, the arrows left, right, and top, bottom, you're going to go to your cluster and you're going to find your settings. Vehicle settings, you're going to press OK and hold, and then you're going to go and find your scheduled maintenance. And this is if you want the car to remind you to change your oil at a certain amount of miles. I'm going to press no, and then if you want the oil change, then you're going to press on this one to reset the data. Thank you for watching.